Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with another entry into my 400 subbie challenge giveaway, and this would be entry 8. If you've missed the video on how you can get involved, I will link it in the description box below, or if you stay till the end, there'll be a video link there. This challenge does end on June 30th, 2020, and I'm just asking for a Memorydex and a VR, and you must be a visible subscriber, 18 years or older, and the prize is a $25 PayPal credit. So let's get into entry number 8. And something. Let's see. It's coming apart. Okay, entry number 8 is oh, how pretty. Look how gorgeous. Simplicity. It is. Oh. Look how beautiful. Okay, this is a card. Let's see who this is from. Oh, cute. I love this paper. Gypsy love song maybe. Oh, okay. How beautiful this envelope is. This paper is gorgeous. All the feels. And this is from the Gypsy Nana. Okay, so it says, congrats on 400 subbies. I wish you continued growth and I really enjoy your channel. Rita, the Gypsy Nana. Oh, thank you so much, Rita. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being a subbie. I appreciate your entry. It is gorgeous. Okay, let's look at her Memorydex card a little closer. Actually, let's leave this out. And here it is. So she has stitched around the paper. This is some gorgeous paper. And then she's added this flower here with a bunch of stamen. And then she's layered. Oh, it's like, what's that? Fringe? Yeah, I have a fringe scissor. I don't think I've ever used it, but this is such a good idea. Thank you for the inspiration. But look, you can see that the fringes lift up. I like this. So beautiful. And she used like a rose gold die hearts, a stitch die, a heart die. And then added all this lovely eyelash trim in rose gold. And her back, she has a pocket with a tag in it. And it does have her information. So let me just make sure it's something I can share. It is. So she is Rita Shew. Is that S-H-E-W? And here on YouTube, she's the Gypsy Nana. Like I said, I'll have the link to her YouTube channel in my description box below. She is from Indiana. She's a January baby. I believe she may still be a Capricorn. I'm not sure. Her style varies and she loves every color. Oh, this is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Rita, for joining my challenge again. I appreciate you. I appreciate all my new subbies. Thank you for stopping by, for joining our little ohana here. I'm hoping that you find inspiration and learn a few tricks along the way. But this is entry number 8, and again from the Gypsy Nana. Go check her out. She's fairly new to my channel, so I am headed to her channel to check her out. But thank you everyone, and again, stay crafty. Until the next video, shakas!